Si mungepiga pale kwa Munyoro. But the light is this time. Finally. No, tumefika.
Lakini God timing is always the best. Karibu wa Munyoro. Umekula vizuri?
Tumetoka huko kuifia.
Ni bahari ya baridi.
Tumeambiwa tukunywe chai.
Tutakula baadaye.
So this is Leslie. He's the co-director of Bina TV Studios.
Wow.
This is Robert. He's the business manager.
You know, I thought you were coming to one guy. You are more serious than even this media station.
Yes. Huyu ni wako. Huyu anaitwa Munez. He's a security.
I need to hire this guy for my security.
Yes. I even spoke about it yesterday. I was like, security yako. You need Munez. This is Omosh.
Yes,
my personal assistant.
You know me, I thought you have one or two guys. Hata mmenipeleka hasara ya chakula.
Tuma invoice.
You know, I thought the digital TV is a one man. This is more serious than stations. Because even major stations come here, they don't have this number.
They have 2-3 people.
No, about 7-8. This is serious.
Here we have everybody else around. You see, like him, he's a reels guy. He makes reels. He's called Fred.
Right.
That is Jerry. He's the photographer. This Katrina helps me with scripting of the questions and everything. This is Korir, camera 1. Then Onesmus iko wapi? Camera 2. Sote hivi Onesmus onekane jamani. Camera 2, Kevo camera 3.
Yes.
Then Patrick is with the sound. Then Pamela is my co-host. And then now we have their boss, who is the video, is the director of photography. So he's the one who handles.
Wow, this is a serious outfit.
Then he makes the money.
He's the money guy.
Yeah, he's the money guy.
This is my guy. When you are the guy who will show you that these guys are going and they are looking good. They are looking happy. I think kuna wachunga vizuri.
Sasa make sure tukitoka hapa.
Moja tuko wapi? Piga picha moja pale. Yes. Kuingia. Karibuni hapa wa Munyoro. Hapa msituni. Mlima iko pale. Forest, Kenya Forest is here.